The ice cream truck is coming, you guys. He's all the way over there. Alright, guys, the ice cream truck is coming like right now. At this time, the moon is up there. He's coming like right now. That's $20. Hold on, I'm gonna pause record. Alright, I'm recording. Hey Joseph, what do you say? What do you want, ice cream?
Ice cream truck, I want some ice cream, please.
They're not ice cream.
Ice cream. I want ice. Hey, ice cream truck, I want some ice cream, please.
And there's the car behind it.
Ice cream truck, I want some ice cream, please. Ice cream. I want some
Ice cream.
I want some ice cream truck. I want some ice cream, please.
Alright. Hello. Yeah.
What do you want?
Let's see. Hey Justin, which one do you want?
I know. This one. I want
Let's
this
see.
one.
You want the shots?
Yeah.
Can I get a shots? Yeah. I'm posting that to YouTube. Alright, here you go. Let's see. I want. Huh? Sure. Yep. I have the same piece. Yep. I've been waiting for this.
I've been waiting all day for the ice cream.
Yep, we have been waiting for all day. The ice cream truck has officially returned. The ice cream truck series has officially returned. I just heard someone calling. Oh, never mind. Oh, yeah, there's someone over there. That's weird. We have to turn on my flashlight. There. That's better. Actually, no. Actually, no. I don't want to waste battery. Huh? Yeah. Let's see, Sure. Two of them.
Anything else?
No thanks. I think I'm fine right now.
Takis?
Uh-huh.
Takis?
No thanks. Let's see. No thank you. Oh. I'm fine. I'm fine.
How much?
I got 20.
20?
Yep. Yep. Oh, God.
Yep. I can't believe it.
Here, let me turn my
Some gift, but
Okay.
gift.
Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you.
What do you want else?
$5.
Give me $5. What do you want? What a price was it?
I think I'm fine right now.
Huh?
I think I'm fine.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, alright.
Okay.
Alright. Bye. Oh, God. Don't want to... Well, I can't hold all this stuff in my... There you go. Goodbye, ice cream truck. I'm filming this for YouTube. Goodbye. You saw? Wait, did he stop? Oh, I know he didn't. Watch out! Actually, no, not torch. There you go. Here off he goes. Alright. See you guys later. Subscribe to my channel. See you guys later. Yep. Turn on post notifications if you so you don't miss so you don't miss out on the video I make. So, yeah, I am. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.